Hi, I'm Jim Dutton, host of Texas Home Improvement. It's a syndicated radio show dealing with home improvement issues. And I know there's a lot of things taking place right now, not just here in Texas, but all over the country. Restaurant workers are trying to figure out what they're going to be doing. Truckers are having to step up and take care of making sure that they are still working and delivering things that the farmers are still growing for us. Medical staff are being stretched to the gill. You know, first responders, although they haven't had to really step into it yet, we're just around the corner from that being a possibility. We don't know what the future holds at this point. However, I want to talk to you a little bit about construction work. I mean, all of us live in homes, all of us have places that need to be maintained, and a lot of the contractors are out there still able and willing to get these projects taken care of for you. Now, does that mean if we're sick, we should have a contractor out? Absolutely not. Same token, if you're a contractor and you're not feeling up to par, you shouldn't be going out. The thing is, if we all act responsibly, we'll all make through this. You know, there hasn't been a huge issue like this since the greatest generation had to deal with World War II. This is our time that we're going to have to deal with a national crisis. And again, I don't know what's going to happen, but a couple things I can guarantee you. The stock market and stuff will come back in the future. It always does, regardless of what happens. Is it down all the way yet? Probably not. But it will rebound. And you know what? We will all go back to living our lives when this passes over. And it will pass over. So it's a matter of us using common sense and thinking about what needs to be done in order to protect all of us. So if you've got a project you want to get done, by all means, take a look at it. A lot of us are at home right now where we can see what we want to do and get things taken care of. Doesn't mean you have to have the work done immediately, but you can start making plans for it because the future is still there for us all, as long as we don't mess it up as a people. With that, I'd love for you to use our website as a resource, thipro.com. A lot of great contractors there. These are all people I've checked out. I know they're going to do a great job for you, but I also want to throw a little bit of a precautionary note out for you. A lot of people are going to be unemployed and think they can be contractors. And in the state of Texas, there's no licensing and no requirement to know what you're doing. So if you're going to be hiring a contractor, make sure to check them out thoroughly. There's going to be a lot of people who are moving from one industry into another and don't necessarily know what they're doing, and that can get everybody in trouble. With that, I hope everything goes well for everybody, and if you have questions, tune in to Texas Home Improvement. You can find our website at thipro.com, and that has links to all the different stations we're on.